Amber Heard has had her last straw with the Virginia court, and sadly, she might really have run out of legal options.
Elaine Bredehoff made it sound like she might want some type of hearing, and the judge, Judge Ascarati, was very no-nonsense as usual, actually more no-nonsense than usual, Jesse, and she basically said, I don't need a hearing on any of this stuff. I've had this case for 18 months, and we had a 6-week trial.
The Aquaman actress has no other choice but to appeal, as the Virginia court has blatantly ruled against any other legal process. Judge Penny Ascarati finalized the verdict in the defamation trial between the pair at a brief hearing, and since Depp and Amber Heard's lawyers have failed to reach a last-minute settlement, it could be the start of what could turn into a long appeal process. We fear it might even be a long legal battle compared to the just concluded one. Additionally, the two actors have been allowed to come up with a settlement before June 24th, which Ascarati would then enter into the docket instead of the verdict. But Amber's lawyer jumped in to inform Ascarati of Amber's decision to appeal, and Ascarati bluntly told Bredehoff that if Amber wanted to appeal the verdict from the 7-person jury, the lawyer would have to file motions with the court. Ascarati also informed Heard's attorney that the Aquaman star will have to put up an $8.35 million bond with 6% interest per year for any appeal to formally move forward. Reiterating what she has said publicly over the past few weeks, Bredehoff made it clear that Heard will be appealing the verdict. Bredehoff has also said that Heard does not have the money to pay Depp or meet the bond.
Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
As well as likely challenging the bond issue. Heard's defense team has about 21 days to file an appeal. In a nutshell, it isn't over for the Heard team, financial issues notwithstanding. Let's see what the fans think. A Twitter user wrote, "This attempt was already made by Elaine and shut down. Don't get your hopes up. The jurors were closely examined and reviewed during selection, monitored close during the trial, and questioned post-trial. No chance. That's what she's got. Such desperation. She's going to need $11 million to appeal." Another added, "Precisely. Judge would not entertain any motions from Elaine and told her to save it for any appeal. Oh, and that any suspension bond preventing JD from collecting judgment during the appeal process would cost the full $10.35 M plus 6% interest." The verdict order was made final on 24th. While another fan commented, "Amber Heard will never stop, and I honestly don't think she's trying to win an appeal. She's trying to rewrite the trial with the help of the media, to make sure you can't speak on trials like this with help of politicians and the ACLU. They want it much bigger than Johnny Depp. Now, we know Amber's most thought-through plan is to appeal. And even if it never was, Judge Ascarati has informed Amber and her team that they have a short rope to pull. See you next time for more tea.